So we're going to take ETO from version 1.20 up to version 1.40. It's the same procedure as we did when we upgraded to 1.20. You need to run your game in Era 1 first. Absolutely crucial you do that. And I have done that already. And the other thing is, the spawn selector. We need to do stock spawn mode. So we'll hit 1 and enter. So I have 1.4 here that I downloaded, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to run the 1.40 obsolete file remover. So I'm going to do that now. Click run. Just follow the prompts. Make sure the path is correct. Click start. And next. And exit. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can move forward and run the ETO expansion update revision 1.4 installer, and I'm going to do that now. I'll click run, and this will probably take a minute or two to extract. Okay, so that's done. I'll click run, and we'll just follow the prompts. We'll agree. Check our path is okay, and start. And we'll click yes. And this will take a few minutes, so we'll let that happen. Okay, so we've reached the end of the install, and I'm going to click next here and exit. And the first thing that we want to do here is we want to go over and run our ETO BDP zapper. Okay, so there's just a couple of more things we have to do here, just very quickly. We've got to go and delete the View UI folder plus a file plus another file in there as well. So we're going to browse to my computer. Once again, we need to have the show hidden folders and files checked here, which I do. So I'm going to go to C drive, documents and settings, my username, which is TDub, and then we'll go to application data, Microsoft, and here's the ETO expansion folder. And then we have the View UI. We're going to delete that, same as we did in 1.20. But then in 1.40 we also need to delete this unlimitedpilots.xml document, so we'll do that as well. Okay, so that's done. So we're ready to start the game for the first time since the upgrade to 1.40. As always, best idea is to spawn in Era 1 first. Take a look at your splash screen. You should say that it says 1.40, changed from 1.20. If you want, just do a quick spawn in each era. Make sure everything's working. Make sure the splash screens are correct and that everything's functioning properly. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I ran through all my errors and everything looks good. I hope it worked out for yourself as well. I hope you enjoy 1.40. There's lots going on in that. If you had any problems with the install or anything that looks kind of odd, you can certainly refer to the documentation that's in the main game folder, and also pop into Sim Outhouse forum and post some questions there. There's lots of folks that will help you out. Enjoy. Thanks.